Namaskar, hearty welcome to all knowledge seekers to my channel. This is Dr. Madhusudan Rao Kadapa. In this video, I am going to explain how the expressions for x and y, the probabilities, while using the arithmetic method to find the proportions in which the players A and B can mix their strategies while playing a game. Now let the payoff matrix, maybe the given matrix or the matrix after reduction by dominance principle, the final matrix is say a 2 by 2 matrix. Now we can denote the four elements like A11, A12 in first row, A21, A22 in second row. Now let x and 1 minus x be the probabilities, or you may call proportions, in which A mixes his two strategies. Similarly, B may use these two strategies in proportions y and 1 minus y. Now let us make an expression for the value of the game Vxy equal to, here A11 into, since it represents first row and first column, the corresponding probabilities are x for A and y for B. As per the rules of the game, A doesn't know which strategy B will adopt and B doesn't know which strategy will A adopt, but both of them know what are all the available strategies for them as well as the competitor. Now as these two, that is A adopting first strategy and B also adopting first strategy, are independent events, so the probability, here we are using multiplication law of probability, so it is A11 into xy. Similarly, for other elements also we can write plus A12 into x into 1 minus y plus A21 into y into 1 minus x plus A22 into 1 minus x into 1 minus y. So this is the expected value of the game, provided A and B are left with two strategies each. Now as we know that the partial derivative of this expression V, the value of the game, with respect to x, with respect to y, because we have two variables x and y, when the partial derivatives are evaluated for this function V and equated to 0, the corresponding expression whatever we get after differentiation is equated to 0, that will maximize the value of that function. So suppose if we differentiate with respect to x partially, here we get A11y plus A12 into 1 minus y plus A21 into y into minus 1. So straight away we can take minus A21 into y plus A22 into 1 minus y into minus 1. So here also we will get minus A22 into 1 minus y. Similarly, differentiating this function with respect to y, we get A11 into x plus A12 into x into 1 minus y, that is, so it is minus y, so it is minus A12 x plus A21 into 1 minus x minus, straight away, A22 into 1 minus x. Now equating dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y to 0. So for dou v by dou x equal to 0, we have a11 y plus a12 minus a12 y minus a21 y minus a22 plus a22 y. Now rearranging this one equal to 0. Now rearranging the terms, we have a11 y minus a12 y minus a21 y plus a22 y equal to, we can send these two terms to the right side, a22 minus a12, a22 minus a12. Now taking y common in these terms, here we have a11 and a22 with positive sign, so let us combine these two, y into a22 plus a11 minus y, when taken common in these two terms, we will get a12 plus a21 equal to a22 minus a12. Therefore we have y equal to y into a22 plus a11 minus a12 plus a21 equal to a22 minus a12. Therefore we get y equal to a22 minus a12 by a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21. So this is y. Next, similarly we can find out x also by equating this expression to 0. Once we get x and y, we can get easily 1 minus x and 1 minus y. Then substituting for x and y in this expression, we can get the value of the game. So as we got y here, we can get x also. I will simplify quickly and then we can go for the other term, that is value of the game, straight away. Now from this, dou v by dou y equal to 0. This implies a11x minus a12x plus a21 minus a21x minus a22 plus a22x equal to 0. Now rearranging these terms, a11x minus a12x minus a21x plus a22x equal to a22 minus a21. Then as before, rearranging these terms, we get x into a11 plus a22 minus x into a12 plus a21 equal to a22 minus a21, or x into a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21 equal to a22 minus a21. Therefore x equal to a22 minus a21 by a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21. Now what we observe, in some other video I have given the value of x and 1 minus x like this. Suppose A11, A12, A21, A22 are the 4 elements left. Then the oddments, that is the difference of the first row, is written here, A11 minus A12, ignoring sign, and A21 minus A22 here. For x it is this, as this is x, no, and this is 1 minus x. So for x it is mod A21 minus A22 by mod A21 minus A22 plus mod A11 minus A12. Now if you look at these, compare this expression with this one, it is similar. See, A21 minus 22 or A22 minus 21, ignoring sign, this difference, and denominator is A11 minus A12 here, A21 minus A22 or A22 minus A21. When we take the modulus, it's the same. Similarly for y also. So once we get x and y, we can easily get the values of 1 minus x and 1 minus y. So that is how this expression has been given. Actually this is derived from using this partial differentiation, using calculus. Using calculus we have derived expressions for x and y. The same we simplified and given to solve the problems easily without deriving a formula. You can directly use x equal to this one, and similarly for y also you can take. So that is how x and y can be found. Similarly, we can substitute the values of x, y, of course 1 minus x and 1 minus y also. We'll take a small pause because I have to erase all these things and derive the value of the game, substituting for x and y in this. Okay, now as we have x and y as derived, now we can calculate 1 minus y and 1 minus x also by simplification. So 1 minus y, it is 1 minus y is A22 minus A12 by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. This we can write like A11 plus A22 minus A12 minus A21, or let it be like as such. This is the denominator here, and minus A22 minus A12 by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Now on simplification, let us see what we get. A11 plus A22 minus A12 minus A21 minus A22 plus A12. So minus A22 plus A22 minus A12 plus A12 gets cancelled. So we get A11 minus A21 in the numerator, and denominator as usual A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. So 1 minus y is A11 minus A21 in the numerator by the denominator is A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Okay, so this is how we can get 1 minus y. Similarly, 1 minus x equal to 1 minus A22 minus A21 by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Now this is equal to a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21 minus a22 minus a21 by a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21. This is equal to a11 plus a22 minus a12 minus a21 minus a22 plus a21 divided by a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21. Now here a22 gets cancelled, a21 also gets cancelled. Now a11 minus a12 by a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21. So these are the values of x, y, 1 minus x and 1 minus y. Now by substituting for these four, x, y, 1 minus x and 1 minus y in this expression, we will get the value of the game. Okay, so now we have x, y, here I will note down 1 minus x and 1 minus y. So 1 minus x equal to, it is a11 minus a12 by a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21, and 1 minus y equal to a11 minus a21 by a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21. Now quickly substituting for x, 1 minus x, y and 1 minus y in this expression for value of the game, here this is equal to a11 into x. X is a22 minus a21. Y, it is a22 minus a12. a22 minus a21, a22 minus a12. Now for simplicity I'm not writing the denominator, because the denominator is same for all, x, y, 1 minus x and 1 minus y. And as we have two terms in each, x into y, x into 1 minus y, y into 1 minus x, 1 minus x into 1 minus y. That means the square of the denominator has to be taken in all steps. So for simplicity I am just taking only the numerator, and after simplification of the numerator I will put the denominator at the end. Okay, so in the numerator what we get here, for first term we got this, plus for second term it is a12 into x, that is a22 minus a21, the numerator part only, into 1 minus y, that is a11 minus a21, plus the third term is a21 into y, that is a22 minus a12, into 1 minus x, that is a11 minus a12, plus a22 into 1 minus x into 1 minus y. So 1 minus x we have a11 minus a12, and for 1 minus y we have a11 minus a21. Now this is equal to, here we can take some common factors, like see, here we have a22 minus a12, a22 minus a12, these two can be combined, these two terms, and here we have a11 minus a21 as a common factor, because each term has 3 factors. We have these common factors like. Then we can simplify the rest of the things. Now a22 minus a12 into, in these two terms, a11 a22 minus a11 a21 plus a21 a22 minus, a21 a21 into a11, because we are taking this as a common factor out. So a21 into a11 minus a21 a12 plus, in the same way, taking this one as a common factor in these two terms, a11 minus a21 into, here we have a11 a12 a22 minus a12 a21 plus, here a22 a11 minus a22 a12. Now a21 a12 or a11 into a21, these two terms gets cancelled, and here a22 a12, these two terms gets cancelled. Now among the remaining terms we can rearrange them. a22 minus a12 into a11 a22 minus a21 a12, and here also plus a11 minus a21 into a22 a11 or a11 a22 we can write minus a12 a21. Again, these two are common in these two terms. These are the common factors. Now we can take out a11 a22 minus a12 a21 into a22 minus a12 plus a11 minus a21 by, now I am taking the denominator. The denominator is a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21 whole square, because in each term here we got two terms, x into y, x into 1 minus y. So as the denominator is same for all, so we'll get square the denominator. Now here a11 a22 minus a12 a21 into, this can be rearranged like a11 plus a22 plus a11 is there, so we can write a11 plus a22 we can take minus common out, so a12 plus a21 by a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21 whole square. Now one factor gets cancelled and whatever remains is the expression for value of the game, that is a11 a12 a22 minus a12 a21 by the denominator as usual a11 plus a22 minus a12 plus a21. This is the expression for the value of the game v. So this is how we can use, we can derive the expressions that we use in algebraic method to solve a 2 by 2 game. Thank you very much. In some other video I will explain how these expressions have come for a different model. Thank you very much.